Hi guys! Tonkatsu today. We pound lang natin yung ating pork chop para lumambot. Then, na-marinate na natin dyan ng salt and pepper. And then, i-dip natin sa plain flour. Set aside. I-beat natin yung ating egg. And then, i-dip natin ulit yung ating coated plain flour pork chop sa egg. And then, i-coat natin ng breadcrumbs. Yan, breadcrumbs. Both sides. Then, i-prito lang natin. Yan. Hanggang maging golden brown. Then, i-flip natin. Then, ayan na. Luto na yung isa. Slice natin. Serve lang natin siya with sweet and sour sauce. Thanks for watching.